Hello children. Today we are going to continue the lesson Light. Let us learn the characteristics or properties of shadow. All objects do not form shadows. Only opaque objects form shadows. Shadows will be formed in the opposite side of light source. Outline of the shadow matches the outline of the object. It cannot be determined the characteristics of an object by its shadow. How brighter the light, darker the shadow. But light source, opaque object and shadow are all in a straight line. The shadow will be always darker whatever may be the color of the light rays. The size of shadow depends upon the distance between light source and object and distance between object and the screen. The closer the source of light to an object, the larger the shadow. The further the source of light from an object, the smaller the shadow. Let us learn with an activity. For this activity, we used a light bulb, a cardboard and a screen. Now, a lighted bulb is placed in front of a rectangular cardboard and the cardboard has been placed a hole at the center. Now what you can observe? A shadow with a spotlight appears in the screen. From this, we can learn that light rays are passing only through the hole and are not allowed by the remaining part of the cardboard. Good. Second activity. Here we used a bulb, a pencil and a screen. Now, the pencil is placed in the path of the light ray coming from a bulb. What you can observe? A shadow of pencil appears in the screen. So we can learn that the size of the shadow is proportional to the size of the opaque objects. Let us learn about eclipse. An eclipse is an incident when any astronomical object is partially or fully obscured due to the placement of another astronomical object in the presence of light. It happens due to rectilinear propagation of light. Due to this property, lunar eclipse and solar eclipse occurs. Now let us learn about solar eclipse. Solar eclipse occurs when the moon arrives between the sun and the earth. The shadow of the moon appears on the earth. Hence, those who are at the region A are unable to see sun instantly. This is solar eclipse. Next, let us learn about lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. The earth prevents light coming from the sun and makes shadow on the moon. This is lunar eclipse. Thank you, children.